how the process of coming out with a statement from the IBP comes out. In other words, I want to know how democratic it is.
So there is a process in our bylaws, and all policy actions are decided by the Board of Governors, who, in the discharge of their functions as members of the board, are presumably acting upon consultation of the members or the chapters that
So
they
there is
represent.
presumed regularity.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
The World Justice Report comes out with a rule of law index every year. In 2015, ang rango natin sa region, we were number 9 out of 15 countries in the region. And our global rank was 51. In other words, we were
In the middle.
in the middle, right in the middle. Noong 2016, bumaba tayo. Our ranking in the region went from number 9 to number 12 out of 15. So we slid down in rank. And our global went down to 70 out of 113. So we were definitely in the bottom half. Noong 2017, our regional rank went to 13 out of 15. We were the third lowest from the bottom in the region, and our global rank was 88 of 113. So it seems that in the past 3 years, pababa ang rule of law natin. So I wanted to ask a practitioner, and of course the president of the IBP, is there an obvious deterioration in the practice or the implementation of the rule of law in the Philippines?
Napahayag po namin yan sa aming pagpupulong halimbawa sa kaso ng human rights.
Okay.
Kasi halimbawa, pag ang utos ba ng Executive Department ay plan double barrel, ang ating mga hukuman ba ay handa na usisain ang mga applications for search warrant, applications for warrants of arrest.
O natatakot sila.
Or dahil sa napakalakas na pronouncement ng Executive Department, medyo nire-relax nila ang mga dapat very strict standards na sinulat mismo sa saligang batas. At sa aming pagpupulong nga po sa mga stakeholders natin sa human rights, talagang meron nga pong discernible diminution. Yes, of that constitutional power of the court to check on the validity po ng mga ganyang actions.
But that's the very foundation of the rule of law.
Precisely po. Kaya nga po kami nananawagan na sana nga po palakasin talaga ang Judicial Department at talagang dapat malaya sila at independent, may integrity kasi nga po mahirap na maging huwes sa panahong talagang medyo malakas ang dating ng Executive Department.
Pag sinasabi mong medyo malakas, bakit? Ano ba ang poder ng Executive Department over the judges? Hindi na kayo naniniwala sa Judicial and Bar Council, ganun ba?
Well, naniniwala naman po kami sa Judicial and Bar Council. In fact, by express provision of the Constitution, the IBP has a representative in the JBC.
Oh.
Opo. At naniniwala naman kami sa kakayahan ng aming kinatawan doon sa Judicial and Bar Council. Pero iisa lang po siya doon sa 7 miyembro. At mahalaga po sana na ma-maintain din yun sana yung kalayaan din ng Judicial and Bar Council na makapag-numbra, makapag-nominate ng mga
anong
tao.
sinasabi ng inyong representative sa Judicial and Bar Council, the IBP representative, I mean, especially in this quo warranto case of did your representative vote to give the Chief Justice an exemption from the SALN or something like that? Because she needed to give her SALNs twice. When she came in as a justice and then when she went for Chief Justice.
Opo, malinaw naman ang sinabi ng aming kinatawan, pati naman lang lahat ng mga miyembro doon ng JBC sa panahon na yon, na makikita sa minutes nila na talagang even with the evaluation of the submitted SALNs ay nakapasa po sa kanilang nomination process si Chief Justice Sereno, both as Associate Justice in 2010 and subsequently as Chief Justice in 2012.
Alam nyo, sa civil justice, ang rango ng Pilipinas is number 81 out of 113. And sa criminal justice, out of 113 countries, ang rango ng Pilipinas is 102. Parang nasa kulelat na tayo. Ano ba ang nangyari? To what do you ascribe this diminution of the rule of law?
Alalahanin po natin na yung criminal justice system ay hindi lamang korte.
Oo.
Nagsisimula po yan sa mga pulis natin. Paano bantayan yung komunidad, no? At paano tulungan yung mga medyo nalilihis yung landas.
Ano ang nakikita nyo na mga kamalian ng police system?
Bumalik po talaga tayo doon sa libro, doon sa basic na alituntunin ng ating constitution, no? Na ang pulis talaga ay civilian
In nature.
Civilian in nature. At ang kanilang tungkulin na hindi pumunta sa giyera, no? Kasi medyo tulad halimbawa nitong drug war, medyo mabangis yung pagkasabi kasing drug war, no? Parang ang dating ay may giyera talaga, no? Pero ang totoong role po ng pulis talaga ay pangalagaan ang komunidad at alagaan yung security ng ating mga mamamayan. At syempre mag-imbestiga at mag-build up ng kaso kung meron nakalabag sa batas kriminal. Kung umaandar na maayos iyon, pagdating sa piskalya, which is the Department of Justice, another pillar, no, which is prosecution, ay maayos yung kaso, maayos yung pagka-file, ang ebidensya ay kompleto, hindi madidismiss ng piskal, at ang may sala ay talagang masasampahan ng kaso sa korte.
In this rule of law diminution, is it the fault of the executive, the fault of the legislative? Where do you feel most of the fault lies?
Yun nga po, ang legislature tsaka yung judiciary po ay according to the World Justice Report, yun po yung nakadesign talaga to check on the executive department. Kasi every executive department, lalo na kung malakas yung talagang nasa taas, malakas ang dating, eh talagang susubok po. Kasi siyempre, ang executive gusto lagi mabilis yung resulta, di ba? Maayos ang resulta. So, kung ang mindset na yun, minsan delikado. Kaya kailangan may naninimbang doon itong ating judiciary at saka legislature. Ngayon, yung legislature medyo talagang siguro nga at napansin din sa World Justice Index Report na medyo kumiling na nga sa kakampi ng executive department. Kaya natitira na lang sana na check doon ay yung judiciary.